Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome to Sai Tech Guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how much is the RAM and internal storage available in the Redmi Note 9 device. So it is a Redmi Note 9 which is of the 4GB and 128GB variant. And let's check how much is the RAM actually available and internal storage available out of the box. And as you can see, I did not install any application. Even I did not even sign into the Google Play Store as well, as you can see clearly. So this with the out of the box. Everyone wants to know that how much is the RAM availability in the phone. So in the initial days, so to subscribe to my channel Sai Tech Guru, as you can see here, recently even I unboxed a video on the Mi Note 10 Lite as well. So do subscribing, and you can find plenty of videos on both phones. I'll be doing plenty of comparison reviews with other smartphones as well. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel, and don't forget to check the links in description for the playlist. And let's get started with this internal how much RAM is available. So let me try to open the multitasking tray and clear all the applications. So on the top you can see here 2.5GB of 4GB is available, as you can see. So 2.5GB is available out of the box without installing any applications, you can clearly see. And next step is to check how much is the internal storage available out of 128GB. So as you can see here, internal storage available is 110GB out of 128, as you can see. So this is the overall internal RAM and storage availability out of the box in the Redmi Note 9 device. So very soon this is gonna launch in India. So recently I got hands on this phone. So do subscribe to my channel and also support me, and follow the Instagram page for the camera samples and even the Telegram as well. So both will be very helpful for most of the users if you're planning to buy the Redmi Note 9. So definitely I'll be doing plenty of videos on both phones. So stay tuned by subscribing to my channel. So that's it for this video. For more videos, do subscribe to my channel. I'll be posting plenty of display comparison as well between both the phones. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.